Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy, and quick. Today I'm gonna do something healthy, so easy, really quick. It's pad thai. I'm sure many people know it and they love it, and I just want to demonstrate to you how easy it is to make. Vegetable oil. I have tamarind and I've got fish sauce. I'm gonna mix them together. Sugar. And I'm gonna add all this to a little bit of ketchup. This recipe, I learned it watching one of the street vendors, and I was really amazed when he put the ketchup. I thought, oh, how is that gonna taste? But actually, it really tasted amazing. Normally, they use firm tofu, but I could not find the variety I really wanted to use for this, so I'm omitting the tofu altogether. I've got some prawns. You can also make it vegetarian, but omit the fish sauce and maybe put a bit of soy sauce. I have some shallots, chopped shallots, and garlic. I have an egg. I'm just going to tilt the pan and just put it on the side. I have some rice noodles. All you need to do is soak them in cold water for an hour and drain it, and that's it. A drop of water. I'm going to add some bean sprouts. And I've got a little bit of chili powder, and I'm adding the prawns. Green onions, it's ready. And then it's finished with some peanuts. Coriander, lime. And now the best part of the show is the tasting. Delicious.